This is how I meal planned as a chef on a yacht for a month-long trip. There were multiple sets of guests that came in for each week, but I would say on average I was cooking for about 10 people a day. The guests sent me some preferences of what they like to eat, and then they gave me the creative freedom to come up with a menu. So I came up with the menu for the whole month: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm also the bartender, so I gave them some cocktail ideas as well. Once the menu was approved, I had to create a provisioning list. A provisioning list is essentially a grocery list of everything that I will need on board. So this was the difficult part. I had to think about all of the menu items and then break down every single ingredient within that dish. The whole process probably took about 10 hours, just so I didn't forget anything. Because once you're in the Bahamas, you really don't have the same access to grocery stores as you would in the States. So I got a lot of frozen items as backup. I had to calculate how much fresh food I thought we would go through in the first week, because after that it would start to go bad. Because I don't have access to fresh food, it's all about managing your product. So the food is always on constant rotation. Started off with about 250 pounds of meat that was all frozen. All of the dairy products were frozen, and breads. So as soon as I start running low on milk, I know that I have to go up to the freezer and start thawing another one.